Question 736. So this is a Poisson distribution. So what do we know about Poisson distribution? So in Poisson distribution, what we do know is that you should remember that mean is equals to variance, which is equals to lambda, since we need to find it out. And we also know that the second moment of x, which is equals to 6. So to solve for lambda, all we need to do is use our variance formula. So what do we know about the variance formula? Variance of x is equals to the second moment minus the first moment all square. Okay, so here, variance, what do we know about variance? Variance is lambda, which is equals to second moment is 6, minus the first moment is still lambda, but square. So this one will just become a quadratic equation. So we put all our terms on the left-hand side and then make the 0 on the right-hand side. So when we put everything on the left-hand side, then it will become lambda square plus lambda minus 6 equals 0. So this is just a quadratic equations. Then we can just factor them. So we can factor them. So factor into lambda times lambda, lambda times lambda is lambda squares. So same thing, 3 times minus 2 is equal to minus 6. Then we do cross multiply. And then we want to make sure that our sum of the product matches the middle term, which is lambda. Okay, so yeah, it does. So that means this quadratic equation can be factorized into lambda plus 3, lambda minus 2, which is equals to 0. So which we can write it as lambda plus 3 equals 0, or lambda minus 2 equals to 0, lambda is equals to minus 3, or lambda is equals to 2. Then we will just use this value because it is positive. So now that we know the value for lambda, we can find the probability. Probability x is greater than or equals to 3. To find this probability, we can take the complement. So what basically means is if this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, dot, 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 dot. So we want to find this probability. But what we do know is everything adds up to 1. So if we just do 1 minus this one, so 1 minus this part, which is just equals to the probability x is greater than or equals to 3. Okay, so to do that, all we need to do is just take the complement. So 1 minus probability x is equals to 2 plus probability x is equals to 1 plus probability, and then we don't need that now, x is equals to 0. So which basically means since we know our lambda is 2, so e minus 2, 2 to the power 2 over 2 factorial plus e to the minus 2, 2 to the power 1 over 1 factorial plus e to the minus 2, 2 to the power 0 over 0 factorial. And then 1 minus, and then it's just arithmetic, which is equals to 2 e to the minus 2 plus 2 e to the minus 2 plus e to the minus 2, which is equal to minus 1 minus 5 e to the minus 2, which is equals to 1 minus 0.6766, which is equals to 0.3233. And our answer is C.